Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about Siacoin. What's the price in goes in Siacoin? Oh my god, what's the next price of Siacoin? Oh, it's really good news for all of Siacoin holders. What's the next move of Siacoin? So finally friends, I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what's going next in Siacoin friends. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you don't subscribe, so click the subscribe button right now and like this video friends. Now let's start the video friends. So if we look at the currently price of the Siacoin, so the currently price of the Siacoin is about 0.033327 USD dollar is the current price of Siacoin in this time frame. Now let's see the change occurring in Siacoin. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I like this kind of change occurring in any cryptocurrencies. Same like the Siacoin goes to moon short, right? Same like that. The last 1 hour change as in positive 4.0 something, and the last 1 day change is about 3.68%. So that's mean that the good change occur in Siacoin in the last 1 day and the last 1 hour friends. Now let's see the market crash of the Siacoin. What's the price change goes? Oh my god, oh my god. Now if this crash not occurs in a Siacoin, so I hope they can now in the moon, they are in the moon if this kind of change not occur in the Siacoin friends. Now friends, as you can see here at this time, if we look at the change occurring in the Siacoin and the last 1 day, so the change is about positive 3.68%. But here is a very big jump occurring in the Siacoin. As you know, yesterday the market crash of the cryptocurrencies market, all market fully falls down friends. XRP, Cardano and a lot of coins falls down. Only all of these coins change negative friends. Same like that, the Siacoin also in the negative, but after some crash, after some falls, they again take explosion, and now it's explosion, the change become positive friends. So that's mean that the high explosion of the Siacoin are continue, and this is just the beginning of the explosion. That is just the beginning of jumping, a big jump, a big pump of the Siacoin are coming soon, and the last of this month friends. So finally, I suggestion for you that please don't sell it at this time. If you need money, so it's okay, don't sell it. And if you don't need money and you want to make a good amount of profit with the Siacoin, so absolutely my suggestion for you to please sell your coin with the last of this friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you tech channel. Let's meet in the next video.